Well, these don't. These are different.
These
These are
like the math ones?
these are just solve the equation algebraically. It says confirm graphically, but we're not doing that.
Oh, okay.
So number 30, x plus 11 squared equals 121. So I'm solving for x. So what do I do first?
You can take the square
Square out.
Which gives you what?
X plus 11 equals 11. Plus or minus 11.
Plus or minus 11. So I need to split it then. So x plus 11 equals 11, or x plus 11 or minus 11. No, plus 11 words equals negative 11. There's too many 11s. I can't.
Yeah, it's just...
I'm like, whoa. Like, which one am I looking at? Okay, so x plus 11 equals 11 is what? X equals
0 or x equals negative 22.
Beautiful.
That's all we have to do?
Yep.
I like
Suspiciously.
Why is that so easy?
I don't trust
Taking my phrase over there. 32 x squared minus 7x minus 3/4 equals 0.
Yeah, that's what she said. That's my phrase.
Oh,
Not you were looking around
I
for
thought
something.
you had that phrase up.
Yeah, I keep false sense of security up on the wall.
We should have a sign that says that.
We should have one that says all over.
All over.
All over.
By the way, for whoever, I don't know who's doing gate next, but can someone please I'll make the paper that says other door and like point it to the door that they can.
There's a
We
sign.
already did.
There
Mr.
was.
Law took it down.
Mr. Law took it down?
He took it down when we put it up the last time we put
But
it up.
because they try to pull the door.
We
so
even
hard.
last year we went so far as to put the Pepsi sign or the Coke sign or whatever in front of the door, like literally in front of the door handle, and people still went around it to try to pull on that door.
Why did he take the sign off?
I don't know. Like we put a paper.
Because you
sign
can't,
up
you're
there.
not supposed to have paper like on like the doors, because it's a fire hazard thing.
What?
So he's like, they're gonna break the door.
But meanwhile, we had COVID protocols up on our doors for
Okay.
neither here nor there. How do I solve this one?
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
Okay, back to math.
We only have 2 left, guys. Got it.
Well,
It's also Friday.
I don't
so
want to say
I wouldn't
factor.
I thought yesterday was Friday, so it's
Me too,
thoroughly
and I was really
unfortunate.
sad when I had.
Kind of felt like.
I was like, I can do my homework tomorrow. And I was like, never mind, I can't.
So can I factor this?
I
No,
don't know
I mean-
how you would.
Okay, so then what other methods do I have?
You can complete the square.
I could try to complete the square, but that sounds kind of rough, so I would say use the quadratic formula.
Doesn't
And the
sound-
answer's
even
gonna
more.
not make you very happy if you do the complete the square.
Yeah, that doesn't.
The answer's gonna be weird, I'm just warning you. So what's getting plugged into the quadratic formula, or like tell me what should be there?
Equals B. 7.
X.
Plus or minus.
Oh.
It was negative b, and b is negative, so it's both positive.
I thought you were
7
saying X
squared.
B.
Well, negative 7 squared. You know, it comes in the same thing.
Yeah.
Minus 4 times 1 times negative 3/4
Ew.
all over 2 times 1.
So we've got 7 plus or minus the square root of 49
Oh, that's not actually that good.
plus 3 over 2. It would just be weird to have this answer from completing the square.
Yeah, you have to. Yeah, it would just be funky.
So 7 plus or minus the square root of 52 over 2. Can I take anything out of that radical?
You can.
Can you divide
What can I take out?
a 2?
Yeah, because it's 4 and 13.
Yeah.
So 2 can come out. So it'll be 7 plus or minus 2 root 13 over 2. And you can just leave it that way. If you were just so inclined, you could also write this as 7 over 2 plus or minus the square root of 13. But
I'm not.
I would just leave it like this personally.
Wait, what do you do
Definitely
with
not
the
on.
2 that's in front of the 13?
It canceled.
Oh.
Because it was a common denominator, so I could cancel that one. So now it doesn't have a common denominator. That's why I would just leave it like this, but I'm just saying if you went this far, that's fine.
Definitely think I'm okay.
If you want to do more work, you're absolutely welcome to do more work.
I do it.
What all that means.
I always do the minimum.
Alright,
Depends on what I'm doing.
34. X times 2x minus 1 equals 10. What should I do first?
Distribute.
So
2x.
What the heck? Where did I get the 3 from?
I was sitting there and I was like,
I'm
huh?
so sorry.
Minus x equals 10.
I added the x and then multiplied it.
Yeah, I was like.
Now what?
My bad, guys.
My bad.
Okay. Well.
Oh, subtract the 10 over to the other side.
2x squared minus x minus 10 equals 0.
Oh, you see here.
Well, we can factor this one.
So what is this going to factor into? Or what's the middle term going to be replaced by, I guess is what I should ask.
Negative 5x 4x.
I need to put the 4 first. So plus 4x minus 5x, just so that it aligns nicely. But, I mean, technically it doesn't matter, but it just looks prettier this way. So what am I taking out of the first two?
2x.
And that leaves me with,
X plus 2.
what am I taking out of the second one?
Minus 5. Well, negative 5 minus 5.
Leaves you with.
X plus 2.
So then I have 2x plus or minus 5. I cannot get my signs right today. Times x plus 2 equals 0.
And then we gotta set them both equal to 0, right?
So 2x minus 5 equals 0. X plus 2 equals 0. So what's the first one? X equals what?
5
X
halves.
equals negative 5 over 2.
Positive.
Probably. Yeah, that's what it is.
And the other one?
-2.
-2. Any questions about that?
Nada.
Sweet. Alright, so then your problems are 3, 7, 11, 15. Hold on, pause.
Yeah, I think you do need a new phone.
No, I think it'll last a little bit longer.
I think it'll last you the rest
It's
of the
only a little
year.
bit broken.
I think you can do it. I think that's good.
21, 31, and 35. Make sure those are doable problems. Okay, they are. And remember, we modified the instructions for 3 and 7, so do like what we did in the examples with like number 2 and 6 or whatever we did. Yeah. Well, I'll turn this off. Well,